If you are looking to buy a smart home security camera, which is even light on your pocket, then look no further. Here is the Xiaomi's budget smart home security camera 360. It can record videos at 1080p. In this video, I'm going to explain why it's the best in its segment. Hey, this is Abhishek. So what are we waiting for? Let's jump right into the unboxing. The packing of the camera is very well done. On the front of the box, we can see the MI logo, and on the back, we can see the specifications of the camera. So let's unbox. Upon opening the box, we can find a micro USB cable which is very long. A power adapter which is rated at 5 volt and 2 amps. And last but not the least, we have the MI camera itself. It comes in a white and black body which is made of plastic, and it looks very cute. On the back we can see the speaker, and on the bottom we can see the ceiling mount. It is a well built camera, and on the bottom it has a micro USB port and a reset button beside. We need to connect the micro USB to the port which is provided on the back and plug it into the power adapter and connect it to a power supply. Just below the lens, we have the slot for the micro SD card, where you can store a 64 GB micro SD card. On switching on the camera rotates and starts speaking. We need to download the MI Home app from the Play Store and register it, so that we'll get a barcode. We need to show the barcode to the camera so that it pairs to the Wi-Fi network. So how we have finished pairing the device. Now it's time to test it. So the MI camera records at a full HD 1080p, and it can rotate 360 degrees. It has a home monitoring function, and it has AI motion detection for enhanced security. It has night vision sensor to record in low light and at night time. It has a talkback feature which can be used for two-way communication. The video quality is very crisp. You can access the camera from even any 4G or LTE network. The MRP of this camera is 2899 Indian rupees, but it can be purchased at a discounted price of 2699 on the Great Indian Festival on Amazon.in. or the mi.com. For a pocket-friendly price of 2699, the Mi Smart Home camera is worth it for anyone planning to keep an eye on their house even when they are on the go. If you have any doubts or queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing reviews every week.